हेलो गाइस। सो काफ़ी हो गया फ्लिपकार्ट स्क्रैपर अभी तक। सो अब हम लोग करेंगे मिंट्रा स्क्रैपिंग। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Go with the Myntra. Just check that some part the home page. So the website structure is designed in such a way that here is a search bar. So if you I put any product here, okay, if I go to here any leading items first, okay. So okay, let's this is a thing which we have to scratch. Okay. So first part we have to do, we have to come to here at the search bar. At the search bar first we have to type this thing. Okay, then it go to here, then we are coming to here at the window area. Then after that, what then useful information like as its username, as I already mentioned, the overall rating. Okay, like it's 4.3, and after that there is a MRP of the price. Then in the bottom the review. Okay, the review are there. So some photos are there, but it's not useful for here because we are doing the sentimental analysis of the thing and the textual data, not the image data. So the thing here like is a customer comment, customer name, the date, and what is the rating given by the customer. Okay, so if I come to here, view all the this thing. So it's containing this page containing all the comments. Okay, so although but we only need like there is some limitation of the web page also that at one time we can create only the 10 or 20, 10 or 15 comments there. It's depend on the size of the comment also. So we can do that like we can scrap all the comment there, but now onwards we are doing only the 10 comments at a page. Okay, so let's follow the same step one by one. Like we have to come to here at the Myntra website. Okay, then we have to search and the thing where the here at the search menu bar. Okay, then we have to go to the inside, then scrap the data. So okay, let's do one by one. So first what you have to do, like is come at the Myntra website. Okay, like is Myntra.com. Okay, I am coming to here. Okay, so open the inspect part here. So here is the search bar. So okay, let's start the coding first. So I made the code here. So what the thing is required here. So I am just clearing new one by one. Okay. So here, okay. Okay. Hope it's visible for you. Okay. So what we have to do here, like we are using the Selenium here and the Chrome driver. Okay, because it's a more powerful tool and you can scrap the data from this tool. Because if you go to the only the request which is inside the request module or your lib module which is present inside a Python, so it's not really very useful for us because sometimes like in the case of the Flipkart scraper it's already blocked or URL or request. So that's why it's like some kind of Brahmastra, right? The combination of the Selenium tool and the Chrome driver. So we are just using the same thing here. So just we are importing the vehicles of request module, Selenium, WebDriver, and this thing that required package. Okay. So here we are importing like giving the product name. Okay. Importing the driver as same as the Flipkart script. Then we are getting the we are sending the request to the Myntra website. Okay. So now let's run by one. Let me select. Okay. So it's run here. Ready? Okay. Now run the start. So like we are searching for some kurta. Okay. Anok kurta. So it's coming this page. Okay. So before that, let me introduce these two things here. Like what we are doing, we are just taking from where we got this one. Okay. So this thing is coming from the Myntra website. If I go here and just searching some kurta here. Okay. Type here kurta. Um, just type here. So this becoming this like as a whole query, like as a whole URL becoming this thing, like as HTTPS Myntra.com, then Kurta, then there will be a question mark, then Raspberry equal to Kurta. Okay. In this way, it's going on. So that thing is copied by me here. It's depend on the website that what we are using there. In the case of the Flipkart, we are using the search, then the question mark there. Okay. So this thing is going on here. So we are just appending this about the product which I need to search scrap. Okay. So after that, we are just sending the request, and it's containing the, because the Myntra test is containing the test format. Okay. So we are converting. If you want to see this, so let me create a new set. So it's coming in the string format. So what we have to convert? We have to convert into the HTML part, because beautiful of only for the string data. Okay. So that's why we are doing this thing right here. Okay. So hope you understood. So after that, we Myntra HTML which we have. Okay, at this time. So now what we have to do? Huh. So now go to the Myntra website, and because okay, this is the product which put to scrap. Okay. So wait a minute. No, put the page. Let the page. Okay. So this is the page, overall page. Okay. So what we have to do? First we have to come to here, this part. Okay, because this containing all the things here. So the search that what is the thing which is containing in this, the whole thing. Okay. So if we come to here, so we have to name this thing. Okay. So div row, then this part search of container, this one. Let's say that there will be some other thing, result base. Okay. So this containing the whole list of the thing. If you come to here in the this thing, then it containing all the product. Okay. So the class name will be result base. Okay. Here it is protected. So you have to just paste it there at your VS Code. So I just paste it here result base, and if I run it here, okay, I get all the link of the this thing. Okay. So that's a good thing. Now come to next part. Okay. So we are selecting only one, top first one. Okay, first one, because kurta is first one. Okay. So after that, we are getting the this thing, renewed this thing. So just writing the this code. This will contain the hyperlink there. Okay, and we are just appending this with the Myntra data. So we have in the product link, because okay. So you can see this. Wait a minute. Where is the hyperlink is there? So I come to here. Okay. So this part, okay, class hyperlink should be here. So what you have to do? Just you have to append the hyperlink. Okay. So before that, if I come to here and just print it there, okay, because we are finding something hyperlink inside that. So this containing the quota part. Okay, it's containing here inside. So we are just finding the hyperlink, then we are connecting with the Myntra. That's it. Okay. So we have a new product link. This thing. Okay. If I come to here, so it will go to here. So that's a good thing. So. mm, okay. Now what we have to do? We have, because we have to go to the another page. So we have to send the request to the Myntra website. So again send code driver.get product link, then resource, and again it is converted to the HTML part. So whatever I here, fine. Then it's going to here. Okay. So it's containing all the things whatever we required here. Okay. Now we are on the page. So at the page, we are coming to this page. So this is the title. Okay. Come to here. Tell F12. Press the F12 here. So this is the title. So if we come to here, so this test containing the title here. So where you get here, come to here, just click on here, and I think this. Okay. So PDI title containing the Anok. Okay, and name containing this the whole content. So if you want to scrub this data, you can do it. Okay. So just put there. So you will get. So although the title containing all that's right. Now, what we need again and again, okay, overall rating. So let me confirm one other thing. This is the overall rating. So what you have to do? Come to here. Uh, 4.2. Index overall rating containing all the things. Okay. So this thing. Okay. So you have to just come to here. Search for the index overall rating here. Okay. Index overall rating. We are passing this thing and HTML. You know this thing very. So we are getting this 4.2. Okay. That's fine. Now come to here. What is the price? So price containing this part. So if I come to here, so PDP price containing this part. So that's fine also for us. Let's search for this. Okay. PDP price. That's okay. It's very easy. Now we having the now what is the part we have to script? We have to script overall the data. So now what you have to do? Come to here in the bottom because we need all the data because it's containing only the three. So it's not issue for us. So we have to come to here. We all the 33 comments. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to come to this part. Okay. Which containing a hyperlink. So when you come to here, okay. So this contain the hyperlink here. And you can see this part HTTPS Myntra review and something like that. Okay. If I am zooming this thing, zoom this page. Okay. Okay. So this part containing the hyperlink. So where it is, it's containing here detail user, detail review user, and review container. Okay. So it's containing this thing, or you can like I say, if you go with the class, then you can connect with this. Otherwise, you can go with the ID also. You can set with the ID at the beautiful shop also. So this is the part which I mentioned here. So this is the review link. Okay, that's fine here. Wait. Here you are. Detail review. Okay, that's fine. Now send a request again because it's also a hyperlink here. So we got the link here. Okay, the detail review is come to here. Just we are coming just this page. Okay, and it containing all the comments and the reviews. So that's a good thing here. Just search for the detailed review, all the reviews. Okay, that's fine. After that, what we have to do? We have to send the request to the Flipkart again because it's HTTPS. Then we have because it's already a like it's a string format. It's give the output, so we have to convert into the HTML page again. Same thing. So that's it. It will run because it's running here. Wait. The driver will not kiss. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I think I used this thing driver.quit earlier. So let me restart our driver. In between, I think it's skill. So let me revoke. Just minimize this. Now come to enter button where we are getting the error. Okay. Just now quit. No, it's fine. Okay. If you're getting that error, so it means the driver is kill in between. So you have to see that one also. Okay. Now run this thing. So now come to here, review. Okay. So if I come to here, because we already this page. Okay. Now search for the suitable container. So if I come to here, let's go to the bottom. Let's see which part containing all the things. Like I just so Hmm. This containing the whole part. Okay, this thing. Detail review, flex review. Let me check once that. Ah, this thing. Detail review, user review container. You have to set this one. I think it will be inside. Ah, this thing. You can go with this also. Okay, but we have to select that one which containing the like is that container which is inside. If I come to here, no, it's giving the top one, and the second flex will be containing the all the things. So we have to contain select this thing. Okay, so just select this thing, and it containing the all the reviews inside the div format. You come to here, just open this. Okay, and now this open, this open is printed, and this containing like it's okay one by one. This is the your comment. Okay, so if you run here review. Okay, now one by one we have to search like as a first we have to show for the rating, then user review, and then username. Okay, so let this is the rating. Okay, so this part containing the rating in the span tag I think not good. Okay, so where it is. Hmm, okay, so this containing our rating. Okay, review rating. So just find it that. So the rating, then wrapper class is also there, and the user review also there. Okay. Just said that it's taking time. So right in the beginning. So now if I am printing this thing, okay, one by one user rating. So our user rating is inside this concern. So rating part. Okay. So I think now come to this part. Okay, because it's containing the test and this thing. So if I just print this thing one by one. Okay, and I'm putting 0 here. Okay, just print the rating. Set containing 5. Okay, and for the name, same you have to do again and again. Okay, so if I run this thing, so what we have? We have rating, comment, name, and date. So date is here. What is the date they are doing? They are giving the ratings and comments. So rating is this one, name is this part. Okay, and the comment is this thing. So hope they will get this thing. Okay, just find it here. You will get. Okay. After that, like I just want to the only comment. This is the general part you can do. Okay, no, let's see that's okay. Let's continue on this. So that's a good thing. So now make it in the modular fashion. Okay. So that looks like that. Okay. So first part you have to do. You have like as we are using the Python 3.7. Okay. So you have to use the same. Second thing, you have the Chrome driver of the latest version of your browser. Okay. So for that one, I already mentioned that how to set the browser version. So you have to just here, if you are using the Chrome, go to the setting. Then the setting in the bottom, it's written here, already mentioned that 118.0 something. And for that one, if you go to your Chrome driver, okay, come to here and search this in the bottom. Come to here. Here, if you are using the Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, for the 64-bit, you have to select this one. 32-bit, you have to select this thing. Apart from this one, if you are using the lab, so you have to use this thing because in the lab, at the PW lab or Neuro lab, it's like as running on the server. So it's, at the server, it's a Linux machine. So you have to use this thing, Linux 64. Okay. So they download this thing, copy it and just paste it in the Google. It will auto download there. Just save it. That's it and extract that file. Okay. We have already there in the system, so I'm not doing the same. Okay. After that, you have to install the Python 3.7. So like is a command there. Okay. Now what if we are doing? So after that you have to just install the your requirement.txt. Okay. So that's fine. Let's do it. Install require mn.js. txt. Okay. So it's only containing. So let's find one more time. So 3.7 already mentioned. So that's fine. Okay. Now what you have to do? In the application.py, come to here and this thing. Okay. So what you have to change? Same thing as like as the previous we do at the Flipkart thing. But here what will happen? We are just changing some front ends. Like we are modifying the table here. We are modifying the like as our front page also. Like as the search box. So I just do the some changing in the style.css and that's fine. Index.html. Okay. So same thing. We are doing the importing the module pymongo here for dumping of the data only, and you leave it not required. Okay, so you can remove this thing. So after that, application running, we are making the Flipkart, sorry, Flask application. So we are doing the same. After that, routing the things. Here is the same code whatever we written there. Okay. So we are just putting here, same thing overall rating. Okay, getting the rating, then price, overall rating, title, overall rating, price, review, then overall review. We are going for the and overall review containing user rating, user comment, username. Okay. Then we having the search string. This is for the our CSV file which we created. Okay. Now we are doing the try catch because if any expect like any error coming in between, so it can handle. Like with any there is no any data, so it's just mentioned there. After that, it's everywhere thing that's fine. Now we are coming to here at the MongoDB part. So we are just mentioning our URL and some part of here like a database created. So it's already Myntra. Okay, not Flipkart. Okay. So that's fine. Okay. Now overall thing is good here. So I just said it. Apart from this one in the result.html, we just like using the ready-made thing, like the bootstrap. Okay. So making the table in the bootstrap, it's very too easy. So we are just changing that. You can copy this thing from here also. Okay. So now run it. Okay. Mhm. So after running this thing, you come in here. This is the page. Okay. Search with on the mantra. So if I come to here and let's search something good first. Come to here in the women section. Search here. Uh, okay. Let's search this thing. Kalini. Let's search. Having good review, but okay. Let's search here. Okay. Kalini. Here. Yes. Kalini. We'll open the Google Chrome by default. First one is Kalini. We'll go to there. Okay. Come to the bottom. Okay. And do this all the things here. Okay. Now what happening here? You can see the product name, overall rating, price, date, rating, name, comment. So overall thing is here. Okay. You can see. After that, you can see here in the colony.csv. All the thing whatever like a 25 comment we are. Okay. So that's a good thing here. And apart from this one, if I come to here at my MongoDB plus. Okay. Okay. If you come to here, my databases. Okay. In the browse collection in Myntra. I can see all the terms are here. Okay, all the reviews, whatever it's here. So it's done. Okay, every time you are scraping the data on the Flipkart. That's why I changed this to the Flipkart to the Myntra. Okay, and I think in the upcoming classes, like in upcoming PW skill sessions, we are introducing this thing also, like a Myntra Scraper and the Imagine Scraper in our course module. So hope you enjoy this session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.